Welcome again. Have you been looking for a way to remove backgrounds in your photos or on your photos? Follow me as we go along to this very simple and straightforward way of removing background on your photo. Because basically, sometimes you have some photos that you don't like the background, or you have a particular photo that you want to use for a particular purpose. Sometimes you want to use your photo for graphic design, you have to put them in a background. Maybe you want to use them in your PowerPoint slide, but you don't want the background. There are several reasons for removing the background of a particular photo. Let's go along and see how these ones normally work. So now we go to our browser. When you open your browser and you have to type remove.bg. When you type this one, you say you click on your keyboard, enter. When you click enter, you come to your Google platform. You can see the first link you are seeing, which says remove background from image for free. And it's absolutely free and simple. And the good thing is this particular platform, it can work in your mobile phone and also in your computer. So it's easy and simple to use. So now let's go and click on this link. So I click on this link and boom, it automatically takes me to the platform. So on this platform, you can see that there are several features. Bringing your photo into this platform, there are two ways to do it. First of all, you have how you upload the image or you drag and drop the image here. For us, let's try to upload the image. So I click on upload image. You see, I have my photo saved here under this folder, but it depends to where you normally save your folder, your picture rather. So when you come and you find your photo, so now you click on the photo. For me, for example, this particular photo, and I say open. When I click on open, boom, it comes to the platform. So you see what is happening now. So now it's currently removing the background. So now the background is gone, only the photo that is remaining. So for this particular photo, you can basically choose different backgrounds that you want for this particular photo. You can leave it transparent, or you find a particular background that you want for it. So now you have here where they say background. You see this plus sign, it is where you need to click and see different type of backgrounds. So I click on the plus sign and boom, I am having a lot and a lot of suggested backgrounds. You can see. So we have a lot of suggested backgrounds that if you want to use on your picture, so you see. So now here also you can able to take a particular background that you already save in your um, particular folder. But for now, let's just try to find a particular background that might fit our picture. So now let's find a scene where we think if we put this particular picture will make sense. So now let's just say, for example, I want to put this picture here in this particular background. Let me say I want to take this picture and say I am in the bush, this particular background, for just fun. Okay, let me just choose it. Let's see what will happen. You see, boom, it is showing that I am in the bush. So you see, I can choose another one, this one. Boom, it is showing that I am in a restaurant. You see, you have another one also. Boom, I am in the beach. You see, you have different types of backgrounds, and you can also make it just transparent. You see, just transparent. There are transparent colors. Boom, you see, there are backgrounds with no a lot of things. So you see, you have different backgrounds that are available. So you see, so now you also have here, as I said earlier on, if you have a background that you already saved that you want to put this particular photo, you can just click on it and you put your photo. So for now, let's just try to choose a particular background and see how it works so that we can compare the two photos and see. So now let me use this lonely road. Boom, you see. So now let's say, you see, also in this same background area, you have another option which is color. If you click on color, it will give you backgrounds with different colors. If you want to use gradient colors that have different colors, so let's say we want to use yellow background for this photo. You see, this is how it works. Boom. Every type of color you want, you can choose which one you want. You see, red, white background, blue. You can change the type of color you want. This is transparent. You see. So now let's go ahead and download this transparent photo that we've already removed the background from. So now I click on download. Boom, my photo have been downloaded. So when I open it, you see, this is the photo without the background. So for showing the differences between previous photo and the one that I have removed the background, let me come to my PowerPoint so that I can try to put the two photos so that we can see how the two photos are working. So now here, let me try to bring the two photos in this platform so that we can see the difference. This was the photo before removing the background. You can see. And let's try to bring the photo after removing the background from the picture. Let's come, where was it? It was, okay, the one that I have already removed the background. It should be under my download files. So I come to downloads. Yeah. Okay. So now I have two photos with two different features. You see, you can use this particular one in different areas. So now let me go again and try to bring another photo with another background. So let's say I go again to the platform and come to this one and say, let me change this background to which one? Let me find a very good and a very beautiful background where I can put this particular photo so that we can see how it's absolutely working. Let me take this beach. Boom. Okay, I have a beach background. Let me try to download this one. Download. Okay, open. You see, I have a beach background for my photo. So now if I go again to my platform, which is I'm using this PowerPoint so that I can able to show the differences between the photos. So now I come to insert. If I say insert here, so now I have two photos. This is the one that I've just added the background of the beach. So you see, so now we have different photos. So this one is when you want to use it in a place that you don't want to show a background. So this, if you want to change the background to something else, this was the original photo, and this was what I change. So it depends to the type of background that you want. Or maybe you already have a background that you save somewhere that you want to use for your photo. It's simple, straightforward. Don't forget to like, share, and comment because we'll be absolutely learning different types of things, different type of um, ways how to solve our basic problems and problems similar to this one. So don't forget to like, share, and comment.